morning, Grandmother. Good morning, dear. Tea is ready.
We started with the simplest things: flour sifted like fresh snow and warm water.
You've got it on your nose, sweetie. Oh no, you too. Looks like we both got dusted. I think it makes us look like real bakers. The soil is ready now.
We'll have beautiful flowers soon.
Welcome back. What wonderful herbs.
Every autumn, Grandmother fills these sachets. They hold the sweet scent of our garden all winter. The rain had just stopped, and the evening sun made everything feel magical.
I'm gonna miss this.
This place will always be here for you.